Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to insert SIM cards and SD card in your phone Moto G04. First of all, go to the left side of our phone and see a hole here. In this hole, you have to insert SIM ejector tool. Bring SIM ejector tool and insert in this hole. This is SIM ejector tool. Just insert this ejector tool into this hole and push down and SIM tray will be coming out. Just take it out from your phone and keep your phone aside. Here you are seeing 3 slots. In the first 2 slots you can put 2 nano SIMs. In the third slot you can put 1 micro SD card. So here I put 1 nano SIM in the first slot. Okay, fix in this position. Then next put another SIM in the second slot. Insert SIM card in this position, and in the third slot you can put 1 micro SD card. Bring my micro SD card, that is external memory card, and place here. Now keep the tray and bring your phone and insert the tray into your phone. Bring your phone and insert the tray here. Push down and wait. SIM cards have been inserted and your phone will receive the signal from SIM cards. Yes, 2 SIM cards are received and they are showing here. To check SIM card status, you can go to the settings of your phone here, then go to network and internet and click on mobile network and see here 2 SIM cards are showing here. Okay, 2 SIM cards of Jio are showing here. To check the SD card, go to files and see here SD card is presented. SD card is available here, and if you click on SD card files will be loading here. So in this way you can easily insert SIM cards and SD card in your phone Moto G04. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.